y'all, it's Chef Andy, and we're back with another recipe. Today we're gonna be making some lo mein. As you can tell, this griddle comes with a burner on the side, and I think that's pretty dang cool. So I've got my water boiling here, just threw some salt in it. Pretty standard. I'm gonna throw these egg noodles in. Let those cook while we cook our veggies. We're going with a vegetarian recipe today, but if you wanted to add meat to this, that wouldn't be an issue. You can add meat, you can add steak, whatever you want. All right, let's just let those go. All right. Got my griddle at about 500 degrees right now. I've got a pretty good assortment of vegetables on our vegetable medley. Got green beans, I've got red peppers, I've got chopped onions mixed in there, I got celery, I've got yellow peppers, I got carrots, I got ginger, I got it all. So let's hit this with some oil first. Spread that around. And then we're just gonna drop them in there. I'm gonna lower the heat down to about a medium. Still want a bit of a crunch on these. We don't want to get too much of a sear. So I'm just gonna kind of work with the vegetables, tossing as I go. Vegetables are looking beautiful already. The color's popping. Got some crispy onions. So while these are here, I'm gonna go ahead and season them. A bit of salt. You won't need a whole lot of salt because we're using a soy sauce base, which already has a lot of saltiness in it. Now while that's all cooking, I'm gonna walk you through our lo mein sauce that I made. Give it a good stir. So this is pretty standard. I took about 1/4 a cup of some chicken broth. I did about 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, a few cloves of garlic, a little bit of a chunk of ginger that I minced up, threw it in a blender and blended it down, and I used sesame oil to smooth it out. Very, very basic sauce, but absolutely delicious, especially when paired with these vegetables and the noodles we're gonna do. I'm gonna hit these veggies with some red pepper because I can tell we're getting close. I don't want the red pepper to get burnt. All right. All right, I'm gonna try these noodles, see if it's about time that we can strain them. That's extremely hot. Perfect. All right, take it off the heat. I'm gonna go strain this really quickly. Be right back. All right, now that we got that strained out, actually, hang on one sec. Now that we got that strained out, set the pot to the side. We're gonna throw this noodles on, all of them in there. Set the heat to low, just to keep it warm. We're gonna spread that all out. Add a little bit of sesame oil as well. The whole bunch. Oh yeah, that sesame oil really did the trick. Now you want to par cook these noodles so they're not fully cooked. You're going to be doing a little bit more of the cooking on the griddle. Or if you're doing this at home on the stovetop, same deal. We're just kind of tossing and incorporating all of it. Getting in there. Mixing those veggies. Now we're going to take that sauce I told you about earlier and pour that over this concoction. There we go. Use that sauce to really coat the noodles. Coat the noodles. Coat the veggies. You will end up with a delicious lo mein when you're done. Sauce is thickening up. Gorgeous. Better than you're gonna find at any fast food Chinese restaurant, I'll tell you that. All right, guys, I think it's time to plate this up. I went with a bowl this time. Just gonna get a good clump of this, do a little twisty twist. Whoop. Some of these veggies in there. Just trying to get a little bit of every vegetable. All right. I'm gonna cut off the heat. I'm gonna end this all, topping it off with a little bit of chopped peanuts. Yeah. I love peanuts, so I'm gonna be a little bit generous on these. And some chopped green onions. And if you wanted to, you could throw some sesame seeds on it. And that right there is a beautiful veggie stir fry. Okay, but on the real though, this is delicious. You cannot have any. The sauce just stuck to these noodles so perfectly.